All right, guys, so I am leaving for work right now. If I knew how to put my car in reverse. Oh my god, the button on my volume fell off. It's supposed to look like this. Where did it go? Oh my god. Well, happy Thursday. What the heck? Where would it have gone? Like, how do you lose something like that? That makes absolutely no sense. But I am on my way to work. I don't know really what the vlog is going to be today because I work until 6:30 and then Gage has class from 6:30 to like 8:30. So I really don't know what the vlog is going to be. So we'll see. Hi guys. I don't think I got literally like anything today. I think there was like one clip of like when I got in my car today and Eminem was on. But I literally think that was it. But right now, turn some lights on. Hey, Piper wants to come say hi. Say hello, Piper. But yeah, usually Thursdays kind of suck because I will usually work. I'll close because I don't have class or I don't go to my dad's, so I'll usually work till close. So today I work 10:30 to 6:30, and then Gage has class from 6:30 to 8:30. So me and Gage really don't see each other that much during the week. Wednesdays are like the only days that we both are done. Like I get out of class at 3. So Wednesdays are like the only day that we actually get to like sit down and have dinner together. So that's pretty cool. Usually Thursdays really suck because every other Friday I have off. So I kind of get used to it, but Thursdays every week we never see each other. And it kind of sucks, but at least we live together. I get to see him when he comes home. So it just kind of sucks because I'm making pizza right now. So I'm going to make that and then I'm going to eat by myself. And then when he comes home, he can have some by himself. So.
I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I just want you for.
Finally!
Hi.
I've been sitting here for like 2 hours just waiting for you to come home.
7 hours.
6 hours later.
Oh, you cooked the other pizza.
Yes.
Make any fries?
No. Come here.
Had to grab a slice.
Alexa, off. Good morning, guys. I'm here with Piper. Say hello. Am I annoying you? What's going on? Hi, can I have some kisses? All right, let's get this bread. First thing I like to do every morning is open the blinds because I know the cats like to look at the window when we're not home. So, oh, and there's Penny. Say hello. What a good little nugget. Look at those little paws. Okay, sorry, I'm literally like obsessed with my cats. I think they're so cute. Hello. So I am showered. Look at this little angel. She literally hates us. But we just try to love her, you know? We found her out. Well, I found her outside, so, you know, she doesn't really trust us, so we're just, like, working on that. She'll like us for a minute, and then she'll, like... But it's weird because she'll sleep with us at night. Like, she'll literally cuddle up and, like, literally sleep with us. And then if you wake up and you look at her, she's almost like, oh my god, the human's awake. And then she runs. So, I don't really know. But I just had 2 hard-boiled eggs for breakfast because we have no groceries. I need to go grocery shopping probably tomorrow. And then I took a shower. I don't want to go to work. I need a coffee. Oh, I need to order pods. Ooh. We have an espresso. And at first, it was only supposed to be, like, me using it. And then Gage started using it. And so we ran out of pods so quick. Because, like, literally it'd be, like, 5 o'clock and Gage would be like, I need a coffee. And then he would go make one. When really, like, I would just use them for the morning. Which is fine. But it's like he would literally have, like, 3 a day. So we ran out of pods really quick. So now he's, like, been on my case about ordering new pods. But they're expensive. And every time I think about it, I'm like, I could spend $35 somewhere else. And then I don't order them. But I promised him I would order them. Alexa, order them in the vanilla flavor.
I just noted vanilla flavor in your Amazon cart and sent you some options. Choose something you'd like before checkout.
Alexa, check out.
Please go to Amazon to complete your order.
What's the point of having her then? Oh, perfect. Looking good. Whew, it is a nice 36 degrees out. Hi guys. Okay, so I am now on my way to work. I felt really bad when I went to get gas. I like pulled through to a spot, so I was in like the first one. But there was somebody that like pulled in and was gonna take it, and they just sat there and looked at me for so long, and I was like, so that was really awkward. But I got a coffee. I feel like Cumberland Farms coffee is like the most underrated coffee. Because 1, it's super good. And 2, it's 99 cents. Like, why are you paying $3 at Dunkin' Donuts when you can pay 99 cents at Cumbies? I think I just dripped on myself. That's okay. What else is new?
And in a pipe, she flies to another land. Sells love to another man. It's too cold outside.
Hello.
Hi.
Ooh.
Hello, everybody.
Hi.
Was this Vlogmas Day 7 now?
Yes, but I am combining 6 and 7.
Why is 6 afraid of 7?
7, 8, 9.
Well, not much of an exciting Friday, I guess. I got home, watched the niece and nephew, and now I'm doing homework. Not an exciting life we live.
You should start vlogging on your own because all they see is me.
I know the best part about my day is seeing you. So. Like I said, just been doing homework all day, so hopefully the semester comes to an end fairly soon. Looking forward to that. No school. I should be getting my associate's degree in the springtime or in the fall. The end of the fall semester, I think I actually get my associate's degree in science.
Wait,
so
like this semester?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'll be done with community college, and then I'll be transferring to a 4-year university.
And I will have my bachelor's degree in like 2 weeks.
So congratulations to you.
Thanks, you too. I think tomorrow, maybe we might go get our Christmas tree. Maybe. But I was just thinking about it today. How weird is it that you put a tree in your house and you decorate it and then you put presents under it? Like, that is the weirdest thing. If you ever, like, really think about it. Like, why are you putting a tree in your house with decorations on it?
It's a good question. In some cultures, they put pickles on the tree.
I have about 3 pickle ornaments, so...
I know. She's a big pickle fan.
Like a big pickle fan.
I'm gonna cut that out of there. Cut that, please.
I call the shots.
Then Mariah Carey's All I Want for Christmas Is You. You know?
Yep. All right. We'll see you tomorrow, guys.